I'm selling my car. What's up, fuckers? I'm selling my car, yeah. That one. You may recognize it as the one that I spray painted, and then to fix that, I re-spray painted it. So let's just say the resale value's dropped a little bit on it. So today we're gonna try to fix that. I think it's best to start with the interior stuff just to knock out the small things. I broke off this plastic piece a couple months ago and decided to super glue it. It super glued, so it fixed, right? And then I had to check a couple of these panels that Ethan knocked off and it looked good. So on to the next. And then finally we've got this light. I don't know if you can see it or not. There's no lens on this. So luckily I have the exact same part in my room somewhere. Where did I put it? Give me a second. Oh, there it is. Whew. All right, before starting installation, it's important to know you have the right tools. For this, I have assorted IKEA instruments. Yippee. I was doing my research and the Crown Vic has 2 bolts you need to remove. One of them on the inside and one of them on the outside. So my first bolt, got an 11-inch something. Am I gonna be able to even get this? We're gonna make it work. I may need a socket wrench set. Time skip. I love that they made this as small as humanly possible. Makes it a lot easier. What's clutch? Now that I have this one almost done, I only have to use my screwdriver and get the rest out. Maybe not. Did it really not have the bolt in it? Classic Florida. Let's cut to the chase though. There's only one reason you clicked on this video. You want to see me spray paint my car. Well?
Cruising down the street, what a freak. Chopper on the seat, AK with a beam, let it eat. Bust it on repeat. Nigga talking talk, but he's sweet. Had to on my heat. I just wanted bust on my neck, VVS on my teeth.
Here's the thing. As a person, I come up with a lot of ideas in a day, and so I just expect about 99% of them to absolutely flop. So it's really surprising that this one of all of them is part of the 1%, you know? I really think it's looking good. I mean, man, I hate my paint job.
Do you hate your paint job?
Yeah, why do you ask?
Well, just call Slim-Killa Painting, LLC.
Need a paint job?
Yeah, this paint job is terrible. I really need help.
You sound a lot like that kid that interrupted that lecture at FSU.
So,
Free to go.
I mean, I don't see what that has to do with anything, but
I'm just pulling your chain. We'll be over in about 5 minutes.
Sweet, I'll see you guys in a few minutes. They're gonna be here any second.
When it comes to backyard spray painting, there's only one man you can trust. Slim-Killa. His eagle eye misses nothing. If you want your car painted, but you're worried what they'll bill ya, don't be afraid, just call the Slim-Killa.
All right, guys, all jokes aside, I am done now. And the spray paint, it's not looking bad. But yeah, I'd say I'm satisfied with what we got done today. Oh, and one last piece of advice. Do the things that fucking scare you. Like this. Like spray painting my car, that was a really stupid idea. But I don't regret it a single bit. I'm glad that I spray painted my car. It was an experience, and I learned how paint works a little bit more. So that was cool. So do the things that society tells you not to do. Bye-bye.
Pokeball, go! Pikachu. Ow, bitch. What the fuck is that? Ow!
Have you hurted yourself?